Display. I want to see how many transactions have been done in this table under which company code, environment, data browser, table contents, company code. Okay. Um, is that 9? No entries? Oh, oh, how come? Okay. I see 10.
L1, 01.
Just tab 2. 2. No entries. Lab 2. Okay. Zap 9. Nothing is working, I believe. SPRO. Okay. Controlling. General controlling. Organization maintain controlling area. It's already maintained. OKKS. Zap 9. SPRO. Zap 9. Okay, chart of accounts is Zap 9. Standard hierarchy Zap 9. Activate components. Okay, assignment codes, ZAP 9. Okay, FB03, ZAP 9. Continue. Enter document number, ZAP 9. Enter. Okay, 0L, fiscal year 2024. Nothing. Very strange. So we are in a fix here because I guess all the transactions have been either deleted. If it's deleted, then we might have to do everything all over again, but let's see. Front end, nothing is there. I don't know because this server was refreshed. Profit center accounting, master data, profit center, standard hierarchy, display. I want to see if cost centers are there, master data is there or not. Okay, master data is pretty much here. X101, 102 dummy. This is plant 1, 3, dummy profit center. Okay, these are profit centers. No, we don't want profit centers. We want to see cost centers. Uh, there's another way to look at it. Plant one and two. Segment is this. Okay. Cost center accounting, master data, standard hierarchy, token display. Okay. We have the master data for cost centers intact. So we'll just have to pass on the entries. So we'll have to go back a little to enter all of those entries. That should be time taking. That should be a little time taking to track every document. Okay, let me just check whether I can track those. Okay, it will be a refresher again at P01L SU01 was net SAP change. B01L Okay, FB01L 4400, 500, ZAP 9, the period 03 is not open. I mean, everything is refreshed. Okay, so for that, OB08, or I'll, no, OB, SPRO, SPRO. Global settings, ledgers, fiscal year posting periods, define, open and close. ZAP 9? Oh, it does not exist. Hmm, assign variants to company code. ZAP 9, L9FS. Okay. Entries, ZAP 9, save. Okay. Assign variants, ZAP 9, open and close, double A42. Okay, I will just copy this. Control Y. ZAP 9, new entries. Okay, save. So we have open periods from January to December. Okay, now we can FP01L 0101 2024 AED 4400 to 500. Okay, we might have another problem. SPRO. Fiscal year, signed fiscal year to company. ZAP 9, A4. Yes, A4, save. Okay, OKKP. ZAP 9, A4. Good. January, December. Assignment. Okay, fair enough. Okay, we're done with this. SB01L. Four hundred, 500. Number range is missing. Okay. Every configuration seems to be out of place somehow. P2 fiscal year. Company code AA42 number range. Source fiscal year details 2023, 2024. SAP 9. Interval added. Okay, finally. 27,000 X1001, 4,400, 600, 18,000, 5,200, 691. Okay, good. Oh, account assignment category. Okay, for this, what we'll do, SM30, maintain, um, ZAP 9, inactive. Okay. Oh, let's do it in another lecture because we are redoing it again.